introduction, I didn't even know that was me until the litany of I did long time ago. You know, that was very long time ago in the 70s. Honorable Alan Lim, Honorable Mera Kibranza Timocoro, our PSC Chair Patrick Pato Gregorio, and my PSC colleagues, Honorable Mohamed Gali Timocoro, will be the video later on. Honorable Reka Makabangon, SA Federated President, Sir Lyndon Gali, NYC Rep Gali and Liver, Deputy School Division Superintendent Sir Edwin Maribo, Mayors and LGU reps, and all sports stakeholders present, mayang aga o mayang buntag sa inyong sa ating tanan. You know what we landed kanina, and then I didn't hear it was Osamis when we landed. So I asked my colleague here, our good friend si Dean of NAS, Dean Kiko Diaz. I asked him, Dean, is this your first time here? Yeah, it's my first time here. So it's also my first time. And then when I saw the Chairman Pato, the same thing, I asked him, Chairman, have you been here before? No, it's my first time. It's also my first time, Chairman. And as we were driving, and then in the 20 years ago, we called it down, it sounds familiar, Tamu. Then we crossed that bridge. Then when we landed here, I've been here in 1998, and this was my adopted home. When I was assigned as for SMART, but it was being built and we set up offices here. We were setting up the 119, and this was I had an office here in Osamis, I had an office in Lapitan, and an office in Pagadian. So I would drive this, but before we would go to Conambogan, and then take the ferry to Osamis. But now there's a bridge, and I love coming here during Christmas at Tamu, because that was known for Christmas, where it's all lighted. And we would visit there, we make sure that I would be here to see fantastic Tamu. And of course, here in Mindanao. So let me now go to my speech. So it really is a privilege and an honor to stand before the vibrant youth and sports champions of this beautiful Danao del Norte, especially this amazing MCC in the Danao Civic Center. Actually, 25 years ago, dadaan ako dito, wala, daan lang ito, going to Pagadian. I would either go through straight from Cagayan de Oro, or I would go through the Albi Cross, and then go through the ferry. Pero pag dito, daan-daan lang ito. And now I've seen the video earlier, which was show the fantastic facilities that you have. So, Chairman and I were already saying, Chairman, pwede na dito ang ating pang-regional, which Chairman will explain later on. And so just to set the tone, we know that today's Danao del Norte Sports and Youth Summit is not just another event on the calendar, but a vital step towards shaping the future of our youth, developing leaders and building champions in sports. Expect today to be a productive day filled with meaningful discussions as we recognize the important role of sports in our communities. Beyond podium finishes and embodying sportsmanship, sports can be a transformative force and a catalyst for empowering our youth and calling for unity. With the support of the Philippine Sports Commission, headed by Chairman Pato, we aim to help set the strategic direction for the regional sports development of Danao del Norte in these amazing facilities, which were shown to us earlier. We hold sports summits like this because we believe that the heart of Philippine sports beats in our provinces. The next Olympians and world champions can be right here in the municipalities and communities of Danao del Norte. As we engage in this summit, we hope that every participant will actively take part in the discussions. Together, let us turn potential into reality and continue building a stronger future for sports in this province. Maraming salamat, and let's all have a productive 2 days ahead of us.